it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful bag that can catch all your things for your errands or be very versatile and fashionable? Well, check out the tote bag. This is by Fancy Forest. I love this dual layer handles that makes it very sturdy and very resistant to wear and tear. I like the material because this is a waterproof material, and I did set this down into some water, noticing that it really does resist water. And after all the use that I got out of this bag, it still looks amazing. I love that it has this long strap that you can use for a crossbody, and it has buckles that you can take it on or off, and it's very comfortable. The handles here around the shoulder or just holding it. The design here just again looks really cool that it says the tote bag, and it just gives it its own unique personality. This bag is big enough to fit my iPad or my laptop, and it is also very easy to keep clean. All I need to do is wipe it. Being able to see what's inside my purse helps me identify my keys, my items a lot quicker so that it doesn't get lost in the mess. So this is a really pretty bag, very functional, very durable, and it can be used for so many occasions or given as a gift. And I think it's beautiful, I love it, and it's very handy. But that's my point of view.